All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these Vanon Pro high quality replacement battery packs. They're lithium ion, and this company makes like replacement batteries for all kinds of, Milwaukee, Dewalt. Usually these have more amp hours and longer life than the original batteries. So these replacement ones are made with the LG HG2 18650 cells. So those are like the common batteries that are in there. We've got a nice little light indicator there on the front. And these, if you want to check out this website, I'll link it in the description below, but basically it has just tons of different batteries and things for all kinds of, from Milwaukee to Dewalt to whatever. Yeah, and at a fraction of the price of normal ones. So what you get with these is basically more battery power for less price. So just for example, with this one, you can grab one for 45 bucks, two for 80, or four for 160. So not a bad deal at all, especially if you consider the regular price of the other ones. You're looking at maybe like 100 bucks for a battery, depending on the different batteries that are out there. So yeah, they seem pretty sweet, my friends. Look like nice high quality. And this company seems to make like tons of batteries for basically all the products out there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this quick unboxing. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.